بسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. MashaAllah to all of those who have been keeping pace with the lessons and practicing and writing. And may Allah help all of those who are finding it a little bit hard to remove time and learn the language. May Allah make it easy and help us to give some time and understand His language. So if you see today's topic, we've kept it as understanding questions and answers. So we'll be learning more about asking questions and how to make a simple answers, inshallah. So before we proceed, let's do our practice, inshallah, of pronouns. Huwa. If you can repeat with me, inshallah, that will be more easy, inshallah. It will register in your brain. Huwa, huma, hum. Hiya, huma, hunna. Anta, antuma, antum. Anti, antuma, antunna. Ana, nahnu. Huwa means he, huma means they both male, hum means all of those men, hiya means she, huma means they both females, hunna means all of those females, anta means you male, antuma means you both males, antum means all of you men, anti means you female, antuma means you both females, antunna means all of you females, ana means I, nahnu means we. So inshallah, keep practicing. So going to understanding questions and answers. So if you are keeping track, so far we have done these three harful istifham. What do we call it as interrogative particle is called harful istifham. We've done ma, man and a. So we learned that ma is used for objects and animals and man is used for human beings. So ma hadha, man hadha. So ma means what, man means who, is used to turn statements into a question, which has always starts with answer starts with la or na'am. Inshallah, today we'll be learning about two more particles, which is called madha, madha and aina, aina. So what is madha? Madha means what. So you might be asking a question, if ma is what and maza is also what is the difference? So it's very simple difference. If you just remember, ma is used for isms. Immediately if a noun comes after the word, then ma is used, like ma hadha, ma ismuka, what is your name, what is this. Maza is used when you have to a harf or a verb comes. So there's more to a question. So we'll learn now, inshallah, in a minute how to use this and you will be comfortable with it. Aina means where. Aina means where. So a is obviously the same. We are asking a question. So we'll be using these questions along with harf jar. So we know our harf jar bata kaf lam wa munzu muskhala rubba hasha min ada fi an ala hatta ila. So we're learning four now, which is min, is from, fi is in, ala is on, ila is to. So we know when a harf jar comes, then the next word ism becomes majroor. So your combination harf jar ism majroor. Does a harful istifham makes any effect on any nouns which comes after it? The answer is no. When you asking a question, the noun remains the same. Let's give you some example. If you say Ainal miftahu, it does not become miftahi or miftaha, it remain the same. That's a simple rule. So question have no effect on the word or sentence or whatever comes after it. So it remains the same. Ainal miftahu, aina means where is the key. Or if you say maza alal kitabi, maza alal kitabi, ala means on, al kitabi is harf jar ism majroor here. What is on the book? So if you have to ask amiftahun alal kitabi, amiftahun, You see, there is no change. So man fil ghurfati. Man means who. So now you are asking question, who is in the kitchen? Man fil matbakhi. We say Madha alal hajari. Madha alal hajari. What is on the rock? What is on the rock? So let's practice our harf jar ism majrur. So we get used to these words. So matbakhun, a noun on its own, ends with dhamma, matbakhun. So when a harf jar comes, it becomes matbakhin. So let's practice some words. Kitabun becomes ala kitabin. Baitun becomes mim baitin. So you should be more comfortable now. Telling masjidun means ila masjidin. Harf jar ism majrur shibu jumla. So let's do some questions and answers. So we're asking, where is Muhammad? You're telling, Aina Muhammadun. You're saying Muhammad is in the room. So how do you say? Muhammadun fil ghurfati. Muhammad is in the room. So the answer is Mubtada Muhammad and fil ghurfati harf jar ism majrur shibh jumla khabar. So same way, wa aina Yasirun, and where is Yasir? You say Yasir is in the washroom or in the bathroom. What you can say? Yasirun fil hammami. Yasirun fil hammami. Wa aina Amina. Wa aina Aminah. So we are ending, or you can say wa aina Aminatu. Say Aminatu fil matbakhi. Aminatu fil matbakhi. So now we're going to use a pronoun. See how it is used, inshallah. Say wa aina sa'atu. So what do you say? Hiya ala sariri. If you see here, sign of ta marbuta is the feminine. So if you remember, we said we use the pronoun hiya to refer to it as it. So we are saying it is on the bed. So we say hiya. Hiya ala sariri. Say aina al kitabu. Where is the book? So we say huwa ala al maktabi. Huwa ala al maktabi. It is on the table. So some more questions. This is man. We say man fil matbakhi. We change the question. Who is in the kitchen? So we say Aminatu fil matbakhi. Madha ala sariri. What is on the bed? So what is this? As-sa'atu. Sa'atu means watch. You can say as-sa'atu ala sariri. It's on the bed. So in the last session, we told the female names will have one dhamma. So what about the male names? Most of the masculine names in Arabic, they have double dhamma, like Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Aliyun, Abbasun. So these names, if you see, they end with double dhamma. So in Arabic, all the male names, they have double dhamma, and all the feminine names will have single dhamma. The feminine names, all the names of the females, they don't take double dhamma. That is the rule in Arabic, because it wants to keep the word light. So you have heavy word for the males, because obviously they are physically strong as well, and the feminine names, or they're been made light to sound beautiful. So Aminatu, Zainabu, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aishatu. So all the feminine names will have single dhamma, and we know when you have a single dhamma, it's called a diptote. So for the people who are asking why Ibrahim and Ismail have single dhamma, not double dhamma, because if you see all these names on the right here, in Arabic, any name which is a native Arabic name will have double dhamma, and any name which is a foreign name, Ibrahim was not an original Arab, it is not a part of a language, So that names will have a single Dhamma. So if you can remember, inshallah we will repeat this again. So any foreign name will have a single Dhamma and any native Arabic name will have double Dhamma. That is the rule. But inshallah we'll practice more and we'll learn about it. So we'll use the harf jar min now in asking questions. So this is Mudarris asking Muhammad. The teacher is asking Muhammad, Min aina anta? Aina means where, min means from. So we'll say, from where are you? Anta means you. From where are you? And Muhammad is telling, Ana means I. Ana min al Yabani. Al Yabani means Japan. Sorry. There is no pa in Arabic, so it's not Japan, it's Yaban. Ana min al Yaban. So the mother is asking again. Min aina Hamidun? And where is Hamid from? Min aina, from where is Hamid? I say huwa. So use the pronoun huwa. Third person I say huwa min al Hind. Min al Hindi, from India. He is from India. Say al Mudarris. Wa min aina Ammarun? And where is Ammar from? And I will say huwa min as-Sin. As-Sin means China. Huwa min as-Sin. Aina Abbasun? So Muhammad is telling Kharaja. This is a new word, and this is where we are going to take one step forward inshallah in our next lesson, and we'll be starting our journey on Fa'al, so which forms the major portion of Arabic, and it's very interesting inshallah. So we will stop here and we will learn about this word inshallah in the next session. So just remember the what we have learned today is asking questions using Mada means what, and Aina means where. Min Aina Anta, where are you from? And Mada al Kitabi, Mada al Sariri, what is on the book and what is on the table. So these questions, and just practice about harf jar, ism majroor, and try and write these questions. Inshallah, tomorrow we will begin a new session, and that is where everything will be more interesting. Assalamu